May mabigat na mensahe si US Secretary of State nominee Marco Rubio sa China. Tigilan ang panggugulo sa Taiwan at Pilipinas. Kabilang sa pinuna ni Rubio ang pananatili sa exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas ng monster ship ng China. Nakatutok si JP Soriano.
Halos 2 linggo nang binabantayan ng Philippine Coast Guard ang monster ship ng China Coast Guard. Kahapon, muli itong niradyuhan ng BRP Gabriela Silang.
China Coast Guard Vessel 5901. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Gabriela Silang. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol inside the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intention.
Ang China Coast Guard sumagot.
This is China Coast Guard, Vessel 5901. I'm performing law enforcement duties on the jurisdictional waters of the People's Republic of China.
Sa gitna na nakababahalang ginagawa ng China Coast Guard na nagpapatrolya sa loob ng exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Mabigat ang binitawang mga salita laban sa China nang napipintong magiging susunod na US Secretary of State na si Senator Mark Rubio. Sa kanyang confirmation hearing sa US Senate, tinawag ni Rubio na harassment ang ginagawa ng China.
There's this massive, I don't even know how to describe it, but this massive ship that the Chinese have built that's like headed towards the Philippines, and the Philippines feels threatened by it, rightfully so. We've seen this on a daily basis with the harassment and so forth, but on a daily basis.
Mensahe pa niya sa China.
The actions they are taking now are deeply destabilizing. They are forcing us to take counteractions because we have commitments to the Philippines and we have commitments to Taiwan that we intend to keep. They really need to stop messing around with Taiwan and with the Philippines because it's forcing us to focus our attention in ways we prefer not to have to.
Si Rubio ay isa sa mga matibay na taga-suporta ng Mutual Defense Treaty o MDT ng Amerika at Pilipinas.
That leads the PRC is the most potent and dangerous near-peer adversary this nation has ever confronted. They have elements that the Soviet Union never possessed. They lied about not militarizing and populating island chains in the South China Sea and the like.
Samantala nagsagawa ng unilateral exercise ang ilang barko ng Philippine Navy sa bahagi ng Baho de Masinloc ngayong araw. Layunin ng pagsasanay na mahasa ang Navy sa paggamit ng modernong kagamitan. Kabilang dito ang mga barko ng BRP Antonio Luna at mga Del Pilar class patrol vessels na BRP Ramon Alcaraz at BRP Andres Bonifacio. Para sa GMA Integrated News, JP Soriano, nakatutok 24 oras.